Hi guys, today we'll be reading Teju's Shadow, so let's get started. What's that? Teju hides. It won't find me here. He runs. Why are you following me? Leave me alone. Go away, go away, go away. Teju, what are you doing? It won't go away. Your shadow? It follows me everywhere and it's like a super secret spy. Well, there is one way to make the shadow disappear. Mama! Later that night in Teju's bedroom, the light goes off, and then on, and off, and on. Teju can't sleep. What's wrong, Teju? It only goes away in the dark, but I'm scared of the dark. Mom gives Teju a big hug. Do you want to see something amazing? Ooh! Mom and Teju make shadow puppets until he falls asleep. After school, Teju waits for Mom. I'm bored. Teju stands up, he jumps, he dances. His shadow does the same. Cool. Good night, Shadow. When he goes to bed that night, Teju leaves his light on. Thank you for listening.